guys, welcome to Mimi's channel, and today we'll be creating this look. I hope you enjoy.
So guys, I did a brows off camera. I'm applying the benign crown white for the eyeshadow base, and I'm using this Morphe palette in Second Nature. I'm applying that brown shade as my transition color. So I'm just blending that into a crease. And after that, I'm going over with the light orange shade to further deepen the crease. I'm going over with this deep orange shade. I'm just pasting that on the eyelid. Pushing that into the crease to cancel out any harsh lines. Went over with my previous blending brush to blend everything together. Now I'm just winging out her eye using the Mabrook liquid eyeliner. Applied false lashes. For primer, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Moving on to foundation, I'm using the Zikel foundation. I can't remember the shade. I will put everything in my description box. Now I'm highlighting her eye with the Early Girl Pro Concealer in shade Fawn.
You know, say anytime you smile, you just humble me. The way I feel about you is crazy, crazy. Yeah, see, you got me buzzing up your timeline on a daily. And they always comment, comment. See, anytime I see your picture, whether not for Snap or being on Insta, I know that.
Blending that in with the Vicabel Beauty Sponge, and I'm pressing that in. I'm making sure everything is blended properly. I contoured her face with the black opal stick foundation in Cabo. So guys, I went back to the beauty sponge earlier to make sure there's no creasing, and I set the concealed area with Glam Girl Banana Setting Powder. Set the contoured area with the shade Chocolate from V Beauty Powder Palette. And I went over with a blush. Now I'm dusting off the excess powder and applying a shade of powder to blend everything together. For our waterline, I'm using the blue Mabrook eye pencil.
You know, say anytime you smile, you just humble me. The way I feel about you is crazy, crazy. Yeah, see, you got me buzzing up your timeline on a daily. I they always comment. Say, anytime I see your picture, whether not for Snap or being on Insta, I know they forget.
Moving on to highlighter, I'm using the Makeup Revolution, and I'm using the gold shade and the light gold shade. Lining our lips with NYX lip pencil in the shade Chestnut. Went over that with Naked Nude lipstick from Urbandecay. Applied lip gloss all over that from Tanya in the shade Dream. Applied Ferrarucci mascara on her lower lashes and setting her face with the Kiss Beauty setting spray. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.